Are you preparing for your Camino de Santiago journey in 2024? If so, welcome, future pilgrims. Today we're going to embark on a preparatory journey for the Camino de Santiago. Whether you're seeking spiritual enlightenment, a physical challenge, or a momentous experience, the Camino calls to travelers with diverse intentions. The Camino de Santiago, known as the Way of St. James, is a network of ancient pilgrim routes, with all paths leading to the sacred cathedral of Santiago de Compostela in Spain. In 2024, you'll have the opportunity to join a tradition dating back centuries. With several routes available, selecting one is a personal choice. Consider the Camino Frances for a classic experience or the Camino Portugues for a path less trodden. Your decision may be influenced by the time available, desired scenery, and physical capability. Remember to start training early. Gradually increase your walking distance and include back-to-back walking days to simulate the Camino. Include various terrains in your training and break in the shoes or boots you'll wear. You should pack light as you'll carry your backpack for miles. Essentials include a lightweight sleeping bag, a rain jacket, comfortable footwear, moisture-wicking clothing, a pilgrim's passport, and personal items. Remember, less is more on the Camino. Research and book accommodations in advance, especially if you prefer private rooms over hostels. Plan your starting point, understand the typical stages, and decide whether you'll go solo or join a guided group. Prepare mentally for the Camino's challenges. Embrace flexibility, patience, and openness. The Camino is not just a physical journey, it's an emotional and spiritual one as well. Once on the trail, follow the yellow arrows and scallop shell signs. Engage with fellow pilgrims, keep hydrated, and respect the local culture and environment. Take time to reflect and immerse yourself in the experience. Upon reaching Santiago de Compostela, visit the Pilgrim's office with your credential for the Compostela certificate. Attend the Pilgrim's Mass at the cathedral, and if you wish, continue to Finisterre, known as the end of the world. After your journey, allow time to reflect on your experience. The Camino often has a profound impact, and its lessons and memories will stay with you long after your return. May your journey on the Camino de Santiago be memorable. I hope this information was useful, and if so, please remember to like and subscribe. Buen camino.